everybody, today this is International Women's Day and I have two women with me at the moment, the best women in the world, and now we are gonna hike. OMG.
Hankikanto.
Huh?
This is hankikanto.
Hankikanto.
Mutta tää on pakista paras.
This is International Women's Day, Saturday, and we are here for a hike in Kauhaneva National Park, which is about 25 kilometers away from Kauhajoki. And this is my second time in here. We're gonna show you how beautiful it is, and also some time lapse, some maybe tree footage, and a lot of other stuff. But I can tell you, this is so beautiful.
Torture test begins. First time lapse, 30 minutes to 60 seconds. Battery 100%. I was also testing Sony 30mm macro slow-mo. In International Women's Day, they came out absolute butter.
So we are gonna check the ability of Insta360 X3, especially time-lapse, 360-degree videos, and also I'll check some longer footage, and let's see how long I can record, and also the stress and heat test. Right now, today here, I think it's around -1 degree or something. Let's see how long I can record with two batteries. I have one battery at the moment, and let's see how long I can record. This is so slippery.
Second time lapse, 30 minutes to 60 seconds. What a view! We were the only person hiking there. Felt like the whole forest was ours. Third time lapse, another 30 minutes to 60 seconds. Still no sign of heat or lag in the Insta360. Started to trust this new piece of gear in extreme weather. Very satisfying performance and cool time lapse. fourth time lapse, another 30 minutes to 60 seconds. Still no sign of heat or lag in the Insta360. Am already in my second battery. Recorded more than 90 minutes. Insta360 still kicking. Wow! The diverse, accessible trail of Kauhaneva takes visitors to the heart of a charming raised bog and the shores of Kauhaneva Lake in spring. Visitors are treated to concerts of birdsong. Accessible campsite is located close to the beginning of the trail. The fifth time lapse, hitting more than 100 minutes.
So everything went well. I didn't find any problem until now, and this is my second battery and my memory card is almost full. It says 35 minutes left. So the camera performed very well even in this cold weather. And I'm pretty much satisfied. I recorded all my flights standby when I was flying in the forest. At least 2 of my flights and 1 smartless flight in the lake. So everything went well. The camera behaved very well. And now I'm returning. And this is the beautiful hiking trail in Kauhaneva National Park. I'm actually very tired right now, and we hiked a lot, maybe for the last 2 hours. And now returning home after a long hike, and it feels great. And my buddies, they're also tired. They are falling behind. I think they'll catch me soon. But hey, let's get back to the PC and check the footage. I hope I found something great. Oh, this is what happened when you come for hiking. This is not so slippery today, but a little bit difficult to hike in this forest. But anyway, let's get back to the studio and check the footage. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Finally, I fall down. And it's recorded. Holy crap. Anyway, goodbye and see you in the next vlog. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Finally, I fall down. And it's recorded. Holy crap. Anyway, goodbye and see you in the next vlog.